Now, let's see how we can delete a record from our database. So let's type public function delete, then our DB table, our table name, then our condition where ID is equal to, for example, again 5, and we will call the delete function. Let's return a message also, deleted successfully. Save everything, go back to the route, create a route for the delete, then call the controller class and delete. Now let's go to this URL, enter. Okay, delete, what is the public? Let's change the name to something deletes, something like this, and paste it here. Now let's go back. Okay, deleted successfully. Now if we go inside our categories, there is no record with the ID of 5, and if you want to delete another record, just change this to that ID, for example 10. Now let's go back, refresh, deleted successfully. Let's check. Now there is no record with the ID of 10 as well. So this is the way you can use Query Builder to delete a record from your database.